You are running a dropshipping store with long delivery time that causes you a lot of problems. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a fast delivery time for your dropshipping store while selling good quality products. But first of all, why should you listen to this random dude on your screen? My name is Dan. I'm already in the e-com space for almost 5 years. I don't have a course, I don't have a mentorship, and I have nothing to sell you. Okay, the last 2 years, I'm running my growth marketing agency where we help scaling e-commerce brands doing at least 100K with email and SMS marketing. Okay, and with that being said, let's get straight into this video. So what I'm going to show you is what most other dropshippers are doing, how I did that back in the days when I was scaling my stores over multiple 7 figures. And at the end of this video, I'm going to share you my private supplier, right, that can help you source better quality products, but most important, faster shipping time. Okay, so what are the most dropshippers are doing, right? They're using a supplier that they don't really know, that are not really doing quality checks, right, with a long shipping time. And what you need to understand within China, right, and I visited China and my private supplier a few weeks ago, is that you have the factories and you get the warehouses, okay? And if you get a sale on your product, right, first the supplier will buy it from the factory to the warehouse, and from the warehouse they will ship to the customer. And that process takes you already 2 business days, meaning if you get an order on Friday, it will be sourced on Monday. That takes you already an extra 4 days. Okay, so first of all, you need that to understand, and then the shipping time will take around 7 to 10 business days, right? And the total shipping time, right, when a customer orders on your store until they receive a package will take 12 business days, right? And they don't do delivery in the weekends, so it will be taking around 20 days. All right, and this causes a lot of problems. Okay, first of all, these suppliers, right, and the general suppliers that you find on AliExpress or whatever platform you're using, don't do any quality checks, right? They don't do any quality checks on their products, so you're basically, or you don't know if you're selling good quality products. Okay, so first of all, bad products. This will cause in a lot of customer service, not only about the deliverability, but also about returns or questions about the product. This will also cause a lot of negative reviews, right, on Trustpilot or whatever platform you're using. That will result in social media restrictions, right, because TikTok and Facebook will want to have the best user experience, and if you can't give them, they will give you restrictions. Okay, and this will also result in more payment holds, right? In Shopify payment holds, PayPal, Klarna, whatever payment method you're using, they can give you faster holds if you're having a long delivery time and a bad quality of products. Okay, and I did this when I was starting out, right? And I really found out, hey, I'm only fixing problems, right, instead of building a solid foundation for my e-commerce business that you can keep running for the long term. Okay, so this is why it is so important to improve quality of your products and improve the shipping time. Okay, so how did I do that? So first of all, find a private supplier, right? A private supplier in China that has the products in stock. So if you're testing products, right, and a good private supplier has already a lot of products in their own warehouses, right? And that means that they're already cutting these 2 business days. Okay, and the shipping will take around 7 to 10 business days. Why they use different shipping methods, right, than everyone else is using, that are more controlled, right, that has a better delivery time. Okay, so the total shipping time, so once a customer orders on your dropshipping store, right, will take around 7 to 10 days. But you can still improve that. And how can you do that is buy your own stock in China. So if you find a winning product, and this is something that I would recommend, is if you find a winning product, to buy your own stock in China. So instead of using the supplier stock in the warehouse, right, what everyone is using, that can go empty. It will not happen often, but it can happen, right? And then you still have this sourcing business days, right? But what you can do is, once you find a winning product, is buy your own stock, and it's not expensive. They will just keep it for you in their warehouse. Okay, they also will give you higher margins, okay, because they will find multiple factories, they will do multiple quality checks, and they will find better margins for your products, so you have like more profit margins. Okay, what you can do as well, and it depends a bit on how much profit margins you have, is can use DHL shipping. And it's something that I did back in the days as well, is because I had a lot of profit margins, is that I pay basically $10 for shipping, right? So for DHL, and everyone knows that they're most of the time always on time, right? They got better tracking updates, and have also faster delivery. Okay, so the whole shipping time is cut to 3 to 8 days, meaning if a customer buys on my store, it will take 3 days or 8 days, right, in that range. And with DHL, it's most of the time 3 to 4 days until they get their package. Okay, so this is basically what I did back in the days. And why is this so important is because it will solve a lot of your problems over here. So if you're just testing products, right, you can use this strategy. You can use the stock of the supplier. It's still 7 to 10 days, but once you find your winning product, you can buy your own stock with higher margins because they will do more research to it. You can use different shipping methods, right, that are more faster and have better track and trace updates and a faster delivery. Okay, so that's basically what you can do. What I want you to understand with suppliers is that you need to build a relation. Okay, what you need to understand is that they are human too. So a few weeks ago, my private supplier, right, in China, they are in Hangzhou, that's near Shanghai, invited me and my friend to come by to meet cultures, to talk about business and have a great time. So we went there, and they can help you with cash flow, right? So if you have a good relationship with your supplier, right, they can help you with cash flow because they trust you, meaning that if you need to wait for a weekend to get your funds from Shopify payments or Klarna or PayPal, whatever, they will still trust you and say, okay, hey, no worries, we will already send out your products and you can pay later this week. Okay, they can give you better prices than competitors, right? Because they like you, right? They trust you, you show interest to them, they can give you better prices. And that's really important in order if you want to scale, right? And you can also do customized packaging, right? You can add a gift card in there. They can build or design a nice branded box that will improve your customer experience, okay? And often it costs, now, well, this is really high, $1. It's around 50 cents to $1 per order to add a nice gift card and to get a nice branded box, okay? That is something that they can do, and most of the time what they did for me is that they just give me this, like, okay, hey, we like working with you, we add gift cards and a nice branded box for your orders, okay? And the result is actually that you are going to sell high quality products because they will do better quality checks, they will have a faster delivery time, you get more good reviews, right? 3 to 5 star reviews, you got less restrictions. Actually, I don't have any restrictions anymore. Was running back in the days my Meta account, right? My Facebook Business Manager, I can still use it, but I'm not doing dropshipping anymore, but I didn't get any more restrictions. I got less customer service, less questions about, hey, where is my product? How does this product work? And I got less returns, okay? I got also more scalability. Why? Because if I needed to wait for my funds, right, for my money from the payments, right, then they will still give me or send out the products. They will help me with cash flow so I can scale faster, okay? And also, really important, no more payment holds, right? I can give better track and trace updates, better shipping time and better quality products, okay? And I created 2 videos that will explain you a little bit more in depth about how this process has worked, right? I visited my supplier that sourced over 10,000 plus of products, right? I will link it down below, check it out, because I'm going to show you a little bit more behind the scenes how everything is working in China. And I also created a video, right, a review flow on Trustpilot to get 3 to 5 star reviews. So you can implement that where you get more and better reviews, right? So all of the social media platforms will see, okay, hey, these guys are doing a good job, they're selling good products, okay? So also what you can do if you're running a minimum of 5 orders per day, because I visit them, right? We talked also about, hey, how can I help you guys, my Twitter followers, my YouTube followers, with better sourcing, is they offer me, usually they only work with dropshippers doing at least 20 orders per day, but they will reduce it to 5 orders, right? So if you're running around 5 orders per day, and if it's 4, it's still fine, then you can use my private supplier with better quality products and faster shipping time, okay? What you need to do is go to my Twitter, I will link it down below, send me the word supplier, right? I will send you their WhatsApp link, and you can text with them, jump on a call with them, or just text with them over the phone, and they can help you set up better quality products and faster shipping time, okay? With that being said, if you find this valuable, leave a like, make sure you watch the other videos down below, make sure you send me a message on Twitter, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.